foodie babes, welcome to Hey Charlie Cooking Channel. Today I will be making some delicious, and I do mean delicious, barbecue Jamaican smoked turkey wings. Okay, I am pre-boiling my turkey wings just so they're tender, and I will be adding my Chef Paul Prud'homme magic seasoning blend. So I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of that in there because we want that to be flavorful. Next I'm going to be adding my Caribbean jerk seasoning mix. And then next I'll also add my garlic powder. And I would say I use this sparingly just because I want the flavor to be robust. And then next and last, should I say, I'll be adding my onion powder. There you have it. I'm going to go ahead and let this simmer for a little bit. I would say probably a good, I have maybe about an hour left, and then we'll come back to preparing the sauce and we'll bake it. So I've already pre-boiled my wings and I've taken them out. They've steamed for about, I would say, an hour and a half today. And you do want them falling apart. So as you can see, they're pretty tender at this point. Next, I've got my sauce over here and it's already boiling. We're going to turn this down just a little bit. And what I added already was the honey sweet barbecue sauce. I don't know if you all have Kroger's in your area, but wherever your local store is, you can just pick up some of your favorite barbecue sauce. And then I also kind of wanted to try something different, and I love the Carolina, so I think these two pair together, and so I decided to add some of the Carolina classic sauce to it. And then I put a tablespoon of the Jamaican jerk seasoning already, but I'm going to add another one in just because I want to balance out the flavor. I will also be adding some jerk marinade, and that's just to taste. So we'll just put that in there. I would say I'll use about a cup. I will be adding some brown sugar. And you guys know I don't measure, so I'll say for those who need measurements, I would say probably about a half a cup to 3/4 cup of brown sugar. And you want to add the brown sugar because it will allow your sauce to get sticky, and that's what you want. You all know that I love my pineapples, so I'm going to add some pineapples in there. And then my last ingredient will be my ginger. So I have some fresh cut up ginger here that I pulsated today, and I'll be just adding some of that in there, and this will give it another little notch of flavor. So we're going to let that simmer. And I would say let's let this simmer for about 10 minutes so it's nice and flavorful, and all the flavors are coming together nicely. That's what you want. So as you can see there, that's a nice dark color. You guys know I like to try to taste everything that I make, so I'll be trying this. And it's very good. Very, very, very good. But I'm going to add a little bit more brown sugar. And I'm also going to be adding a little orange juice to bring out the citrus flavor. So I have probably about a 1/4 cup of orange juice. And we're going to stir that in. Now, if you really like hot, spicy food, they do sell the Walker's Wood jerk seasoning in a hot and spicy. I don't like to be sweating. I don't like beads popping off my head. So it's up to you how hot you want to get your food flavored. This has been simmering for 20 minutes and we're getting ready to remove this. And we're gonna pour it over our turkey wings and then we'll be baking it for about 35 to 45 minutes. I don't like a messy area, so I will be cleaning while I'm talking to you all. You'll hear me kind of banging around my things in my kitchen, but I want you all to be able to see a clear picture of what I'm putting together. So here we have my turkey wings. I don't know if you guys remember when I did my Cuisinart unboxing, but I was saying that this has a nice little lip on it, and so when it's when you're trying to pour, it just makes it a little bit easier for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pour that over my wings. My induction oven just turned off. It's usually so noisy. So we're just gonna move that around a little bit, just so everything is covered in some sauce. I'm gonna turn that over. I have my oven on. I have it on 350, so I'm gonna let this bake, as I mentioned, for a little bit until they start to simmer. I will be covering this with some aluminum foil about halfway, and then I'll take it off when I see that it's caramelized. So you just want to make sure that everything is covered in the sauce. So there you have it. And voila, it is all done. So here is my smoked Jamaican turkey wings, barbecue turkey wings. You guys are going to absolutely love them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.